experts, actually core experts from IIT Madras and IIT Indore, um, Sir Professor M. Michael Gromiha sir and Professor Parimalkar sir. So thank you very much, and you are the pillars of this actually wonderful workshop, sir. Very constructive workshop, taking the participants and ourselves to a rigorous training. So I really thank um, on behalf of our director. Actually, we have requested him, but he is having a very hectic schedule. As you all know, we are running in a temporary campus, and our main building, two of our main buildings are going to be inaugurated by ministry. So he is busy in that. So he has requested us to thank the experts, thank the participants for coming and joining us, making this workshop a wonderful occasion in this difficult situation. So I thank on behalf of Professor Dr. Pinkeshwar Manta sir, Director NIT Arunachal Pradesh, on behalf of our HOD and Department of Basic and Applied Science, Dr. PK Swain sir, on behalf of Atal AICT, who has been our sponsors, and of course we thank them too, because without their financial support, this might not have taken place. And our institute support, we thank them also. So then on behalf of as a coordinator, I thank all the stakeholders who are involved in this, especially all the uh, uh, chairs who attended and graced this FDP. I also thank our invited guest experts, Dr. Sandeepan Mukherjee and Dr. Surajit Debnath from Himalayan Development Institute and Women's Polytechnic Tripura, the Himalayan Institute from Alamara. So I thank them also, and of course the supporting the for this FDP for to the participants to to whom this is owed. Okay, I thank all the participants right from the different corners of the country. So this platform actually is uniting everybody, uniting the whole country. Okay, so I thank all the participants for being with us. Okay, being with us and traveling through this session. I thank you all participants taking part actively in this. Um, and of course, finally, we need to thank God. So as I've been telling you yesterday, so he has been kind. The weather has been good. There is no power cut from my end. I have been able to record all the sessions. So shortly you will get access to this recorded sessions. Okay, so don't worry if you have missed classes. We know you as academician, a lot of task will be there, teaching, administration, and research. But still, you have managed to come. So thank you, participants, and thank you, sir. Sir, I now request our HOD, Pratap, Dr. PK Swain, sir, Pratap Kumar Swain, sir, to give a vote of thanks. Pratap Kumar Swain, sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Vote of thanks to our experts and participants.
So good morning to everyone. It is my pleasure to give an opportunity to vote of thanks for this program. And first of all, I congratulate all the experts who have delivered their beautiful lectures and enlightening the participant to participate in this area of research. And I also congratulate the coordinator, Dr. Bhanam Kumar, who take a lot of pain to organize this online program for last 1 week. And also I welcome all the participants who have participated in this program and to make this program as eventful as it was. And I also lastly welcome again all the experts who have taken their times from their busy schedules and delivered their research area and entertained us to this beautiful area, because most of the people are now working in the biophysics or particularly in the biotechnology area. So whether it is mechanical, computer science, mathematics or physics, people are now are interested in the bio area, because everything now the COVID pandemic also make us forced to do most of the work in the bio area research. So again, thank you all these participants as well as the expert and the coordinators.
Yeah, thank you, Swain sir. Sir, now I request one or two participants to say a few words regarding the FDP. So if you have any feedback, you can give. Kindly mention your name and institute. Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, participants, please.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Professor Charudat Masde, and I did my mechanical engineering, masters in mechanical engineering. I am from KK Institute of Engineering Education, Nasik, Maharashtra. I really want to thank you and acknowledge all of you for giving such a kind presentation. Basically, though I am from the mechanical background, I could find out some of the things that are really relevant for me for my further research, and I could get the sense. I really thanks all the experts for giving their precious knowledge, and I'm also thankful for the coordinator, Dr. Vanam, for their constant encouragement. And I thanks all and everyone for supporting and have this FDP successful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Charudatta sir. Sir, any other participant who would like to express their gratitude and thankfulness?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Manav
Yes,
sir.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible. Yes.
Sir, this is Professor Aisha Hina from KVN University, Karnataka, Kalaburgi, Karnataka, Southern End, sir. And first of all, on the outset, I'd like to congratulate the entire team of IIT Arunachal Pradesh for this successful completion of 5 days FDP. And a big lot of applause to the coordinator, Dr. Manav sir. And I would like to be grateful to all the resource persons who have joined us and have given us the insights about bioinformatics. And I have kept on saying, I have been from engineering background and I am doing research in biomedical image processing. But I got a lot to learn from this FDP and got good insights about the basics of bioinformatics and could relate so many things which we have left out long back. And as Manav sir said, obviously God was with us, so that's why it made it possible that this FDP become a grand success. But even I would like to mention here the pandemic, thanks to the pandemic, because without which I think I would never imagine to go to Arunachal Pradesh and attend such an FDP. So that is the reason why, because of this online FDP only, most of the participants from different parts of the country are able to get benefit of such FDPs. That is the speciality of online FDPs actually, because you know you could and go and program something far away from our place. So this has made us to come together on a multidisciplinary basis, and that is what our government is focusing on. That is the National Policy of Education, to have a focus on multidisciplinary researches. I think these Atal FDPs have served to be a good source to unite the researchers from different disciplines and different backgrounds, and hope this is going to get a lot more in the future, and that would definitely improve the education system of the entire country also. Thank you. All the participants were so encouraging, so enchanting, and Manav sir was so understanding, so humble. Thank you, one and all the coordinators, the entire team of IIT Arunachal Pradesh, all the resource persons, and thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Aisha madam, and rightly pointed out, it is uniting all researchers. Of course, it is uniting whole nation together. It is uniting the whole nation together. and of course we need to be thankful for the idea wherever it has come, Chairman AICT or from top Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. Wherever it has come, that team, we have to really thankful MHRD, AICTE. So thank you. Thank you. If anybody wants to add, come, then I can come and say a few words. Then we will call it day. Any participant? Okay, then fine. So let us meet. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you. We close this session.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bhanab sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I have submitted that quiz 2 times because in the very first time I did